Bereshit chapter 28. Yitzhak called Yaakov, blessed him, and commanded him, "You shall not take a wife of the daughters of Canaan. Arise, go to Padan Aram, to the house of Bethuel your mother's father. Take a wife from there, from the daughters of Laban, your mother's brother. May El Shaddai bless you, and make you fruitful, and multiply you, that you may be a company of peoples, and give you the blessing of Avraham, to you, and to your seed with you, that you may inherit the land where you travel, which Elohim gave to Avraham." Yitzchak sent Yaakov away. He went to Padan Aram, to Laban, son of Bethuel the Aramean, Rivka's brother, Yaakov's and Esav's mother. Now Esav saw that Yitzchak had blessed Yaakov and sent him away to Padan Aram, to take him a wife from there, and that as he blessed him he gave him a command, saying, "You shall not take a wife of the daughters of Canaan." And that Yaakov obeyed his father and his mother, and was gone to Padan Aram. Esav saw that the daughters of Canaan didn't please Yitzchak his father. Esav went to Ishmael, and took, besides the wives that he had, Machalat, the daughter of Ishmael, Avraham's son, the sister of Nebayot, to be his wife. Yaakov went out from Beersheba, and went toward Haran. He came to a certain place, and stayed there all night, because the sun had set. He took one of the stones of the place, and put it under his head, and lay down in that place to sleep. He dreamed. Behold, a stairway set upon the earth, and its top reached to heaven. Behold the Malachim of Elohim ascending and descending on it. Behold, Yahuwah stood above it, and said, "I am Yahuwah, the Elohim of Avraham your father, and the Elohim of Yitzchak. The land whereon you lie, to you will I give it, and to your seed. Your seed will be as the dust of the earth, and you will spread abroad to the west, and to the east, and to the north, and to the south. In you and in your seed will all the families of the earth be blessed. Behold, I am with you, and will keep you wherever you go, and will bring you again into this land. For I will not leave you, until I have done that which I have spoken of to you." Yaakov awakened out of his sleep, and he said, "Surely Yahuwah is in this place, and I didn't know it." He was afraid and said, "How dreadful is this place! This is none other than Elohim's house, and this is the gate of heaven." Yaakov rose up early in the morning, and took the stone that he had put under his head, and set it up for a pillar, and poured oil on its top. He called the name of that place Beit El, but the name of the city was Luz at the first. Yaakov vowed a vow, saying, "If Elohim will be with me, and will keep me in this way that I go, and will give me bread to eat, and clothing to put on, so that I come again to my father's house in Shalom, and Yahuwah will be my Elohim, then this stone, which I have set up for a pillar, will be Elohim's house. Of all that you will give me, I will surely give the 10th to you."